Hi everyone, my name is Umar, and today I will be guiding you how to create your Amazon buyer account. First of all, you need to open any browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer, and you need to type in amazon.com. Amazon is one of the world's largest online retailer, offering a wide range of products including books, electronic, clothes, household items, and others. Amazon also provides services like Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, Amazon Music, and Amazon Kindle. Anything which is of your use. Here, as you can see, we have switches, candle lights, toys, glasses, watches, household equipment, and even items for your pets. But to purchase anything, first of all, you need to have an Amazon account. Now, to create an account, first of all, we need to click on here. It says sign in. And for the new customers, we need to click here. After that, you need to add in your name and your email ID. Password. Password, just make sure it is something easy so you can recall it. Once done, click here. From here, you need to go back to your email address to get the OTP. Simply copy the OTP from here and paste it onto the here. Once done, it will verify this and your account is ready to use. Once your account is activated, you can shop on Amazon, take advantage of all the benefits that come with Amazon Buyer, such as free 2-day delivery. And if you are Amazon Prime buyer, you can have a same-day delivery as well. You can watch videos, you can buy books, and even you can customize your account from here. You can click on your Manage Profile, View. Here you can add your picture, you can edit your name, you can add your interests, preferences, height group, and going into the accounts, you can manage your addresses. You can add and remove your address from here. Similarly, go back to your account. You can add your payments as well. To buy any product, you will be needing to add your payment method here. Click onto here and then it will load, and then you need to select which of the payment gateway you want to use to buy the products. That's it from our side. So this was a basic overview of how to create an Amazon account. You can now buy any product simply by creating an Amazon account. Happy buying, and any questions, please drop a message. I will try to get back to you all. Thank you.